Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri again from Karma Healing. Coming here today to give you the reading for the coming week, that is the week starting from the 21st of June till the 27th of June, that is the Sunday. So 21st June Monday till the 27th June, that is the Sunday. So let's go ahead and start the reading for that week. But like I always tell you, please go ahead and do like my page on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hopefully everyone is safe and have taken their vaccines. It is very necessary to if you get a chance and to go ahead and get the vaccines. So let's go ahead and start the reading. Quick reading, like I always have given this timestamp in the description, so just go ahead and go through the timestamp according to your signs. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the sign Aries. Let's pull 3 cards for the sign Aries. People born under the sign Aries, if I see, there are chances of you building new relationship, traveling because of relationship, or to meet someone, or to meet your family and everything. I do see there are some kind of confusion, some kind of obstacle coming your way. There are people who will go against your wishes or against what you are saying, and they might not agree to what you are or your thoughts are basically. So it is little going to be a difficult week, but it is an interesting week too, because there is a little bit of travel that is showing in your luck in this week. So that will be some kind of entertainment for you. Also the card are suggesting and telling you to donate something this week, help the poor people, maybe feed the poor people, or some kind of donation that will help you to move ahead in life. Let's go ahead and do Taurus now, the second sign. Quickly, let's go ahead and do Taurus. Three cards for Taurus. Oh, I see a good week for Taurus people. Family get together, celebration, and some kind of joy, happiness coming your way. I see a growth coming your way. So this will be a week where there is going to be fun as well as work. But whatever work you're going to do, you are going to see a progress this week. Also, there might be a reason to celebrate, or there might be a good promotion, or there might be a job that's coming your way that you were looking for. So you might get the result of the job interview you must have given last week, or you must be waiting the answer for in this week. So for Taurus, overall good week. Let's go ahead and do Gemini. 3 cards for Gemini. For the Gemini people also, I see good week coming. I see opportunities coming your way. There are chances that you will get new offers, new you can say a new growth coming your way the coming week. There is a progress, there is a victory that's coming your week. So whatever exams or whatever interviews or whatever again you have given, there is going to be a progress, there is going to be a victory in that. Plus you're going to get more opportunities in every field of life coming up in the week. There is celebration, there is new things happening. So there is a lot of things, a lot of excitement going on for Gemini people too in the week. Cancer. Let's go ahead into Cancer. For the Cancer people, it's a normal week, you can say, but you have to be a little careful with your finance. For there might be a little loss in your finance, or maybe there must be a loss of some kind of money if you're in the share market, or if you're a stockbroker, or whatever, where you have invested money. So there might be some news where there are chances that there might be a little loss in your progress or in your finance kind of a thing. But there is a growth also showing. So it's not that totally you are at loss this week, but yes, there is a little bit of growth and a little bit, so it's something that you will have to balance this week. There is a calm and composed week, so it's going to be a normal week, nothing too great or nothing too bad happening this week. But yes, there is a little bit growth, or you can say the process, the steps of the growth has started from this week. Leo. For the Leo people this week, their moods are going to be little off, kind of off and on. It's kind of something like mood swings, that's going to remain this week for you guys. But definitely there is a growth in the money. There is money coming your way this week. I see a growth. I see a lady who's going to be really, really lucky for you coming in your life this week. And she will be the person who will, have that luck, or you can say can bring that finance with her. Also, there are chances that some of like bad thoughts or negative thoughts will come your way this week, and it might affect you a little bit with your thoughts. Otherwise, that is why maybe you can say the mood swings, the thoughts, the thinking, the trouble, is seen coming this week. So just you have to be very, very careful about your health. Otherwise, where your finance is concerned, I see a growth. Yes, your moods, your relationship needs to be taken care in this week. We'll go ahead and do Virgo. Virgo people, let's see what is in store for you. For the Virgo people, the cards are very good, but it is saying also that once there is a Sun card and then there is a Tower card. So what is happening here is something needs balance in your life, Virgo people. There is a fantastic week that is coming ahead, but it's in your hand how to look at it and how to take it. It's something like take it as it comes, because there is a card that also is telling me that there might be a sudden changes in this week coming your way, where your work is concerned or relationship is concerned, or some major decision you can say is coming your way this week, and that might be a little shock to you. But even there is a Sun card, so it is going to take care of whatever is coming your way is going to be taken care of. So you don't have to worry about it. Just take the whatever is coming your way that is going to trouble you a little bit positively, and everything will work out for you. You are going to meet family members, like mostly people in the older age, like your grandparents or uncle, aunties. All these things are coming your way. You're going to meet them, and it's going to be a good week. Just a little bit of setback, or you can say a little bit of a sudden news that might affect you a little bit, but that you'll come out of it and you'll be fine. Also, now we'll go ahead and do Libra. Three cards for Libra. People born under the sign of Libra, yes, I do see a financial growth. Of course, it is going to come your way. There is a lady who's a very lucky person who's going to come in your life with a lot of finance. She's going to be really lucky for you. But at the same moment where the finance is coming, there is also somewhere in your thoughts, or somewhere you are feeling very tied up. You want to do a lot of things, you want to do things, but there are some restrictions, or there are things that is not letting you do it. You feel very tied up. You want to just break the strings and just go away and do whatever you want to do, kind of thing. So that kind of feeling is going to stay in this week for you guys. There is a lot of people who you are going to come in contact with this week, who are going to kind of say judge you, or you can say they are going to question you somewhere or the other. So or you can say doubt you. But that is just for a week, and I think that should pass away. But the good thing is there is finance coming your way, so somewhere something is working positive for you, and the cards are not that bad. So everything looks fine, and this shall pass. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. People born under the sign of Scorpio. Also, people born under the sign of Scorpio, if I tell you, there is like a weight still showing for whatever you have worked hard in a few weeks. So there is a little bit of still more a little weight. So just wait, have patience. The result will show up and it will be good. Plus, whatever you are making a decision, or you are doing something, there is a need of seeing, looking at the things and then doing the final thing, like maybe signing a paper, like I always say, or maybe just you need to think properly, or whatever. In this week will be a week where you are going to make a very quick decisions, and that might be wrong sometimes. So you just have to look into whatever you are finalizing and then move ahead. Think properly. Also, this week is something that how much you will work hard, you will get the returns. So something like work hard and you will get what you need to get. It's nothing like you're going to get too much of it, or it's nothing like you are not going to get it also. So as much as you work hard, this will give you that kind of benefits. We'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. Three cards for Sagittarius. People born under the sign of Sagittarius, I see a celebration coming your way. A lot of emotional things happening this week for you guys. Celebration, new things, buying maybe a new house, doing an agreement, or maybe buying a new car or new vehicle or new things for yourself. But it's a week of excitement for Sagittarius people. There are so much emotions that you will have to balance the emotions. Too much excitement is also too bad. So just make sure that you balance your emotions this week. There is a lot of mood fluctuations also happening this week. So you can say this week is going to be really, really emotional, mostly emotional for Sagittarius people. So whatever, where workplace is concerned, relationships are concerned, any thing is concerned, you have emotions. So there are a lot of emotions that's going to be involved this week. But a very good week, a celebration week, a enjoyment week. You just have to balance your emotions. Sagittarius is done. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. For the Capricorn people, this week is a week where there might be a little bit of argument, there might be a little bit of fights, you can say at workplace or at your home, in your relationships. You can say there might be arguments, that you need to be careful about. Have a little bit of patience. Plus there are good chances of people meeting new people, getting into new relationship, getting attached emotionally to people, coming in contact with new people. So mostly relationship card, you can say. You will make new relationships. Plus the card is also suggesting and guiding you that you do some kind of a donations, feed poor, or any kind of donation will help you to progress if you do it this week. Otherwise the week looks fine for you. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. People born under the sign Aquarius, 3 cards for them. The people born under the sign of Aquarius, I have a good, it's showing a good week, a week of, you can say, celebration, enjoyment, emotions. Also a very good week to take over a work where, you know, some kind of leading the group is concerned, or you can say something where you can basically be a supervisor, or somewhere where, you know, people will listen to you and they will follow you, kind of a week. So this is a week where you can guide people. So, and but also, if I see the other cards, the cards also say that there is a very fast movement coming in your life this week. So I do see a lot of movement where your career, relationship is also concerned, and where your career is concerned, relationship is concerned, or you can say finance is concerned. So there is definitely a moment coming, and that is a good week, because this is the week that will give you the confidence, you can say the self-confidence to move ahead and guide people, and you know, guide them to the right direction. So this is a very, very good week for you. Now the last one, Pisces. 3 cards for Pisces. For the people born under the sign Pisces, I do see that you will be meeting a new people in your this week. There are you know, new relationship that is going to build up and everything. But with that, I also see that there is some kind of emotional setback coming in your way. So maybe whatever you are expecting from the relationship that you have, it is going to cause you some kind of sadness, some kind of you can say setback, where, you know, whatever you are expecting, you might not get that. There are chances the negative thoughts coming your way. There are things that will keep on going in your mind, you know, and there is no peace that you will feel this week. But with this also, there are chances that after the you know, finishing of a old relationship, or, you know, the letting go of the people that do not belong in your life, there are chances this week that you might come in contact with people who will you know, come to your help, or maybe you might get into a new relationship this week. So there is a little bit of negativity and sadness coming your way, but with that, by the end of the week, as the days go by, you will come in contact with people who will make you more happy and joyful. Otherwise, the career and finance, there is not much shown in the cards for you, so it's going to be normal. But yes, where emotions are concerned and relationships are concerned, there is going to be a little up and down this week for you. So that's it for now. We are done with the week's reading, that is from the 21st of June till the 27th of June. I will come with another video. Another video I am thinking of bringing for something that you know, you can keep with yourself to protect yourself from negative people, or people who, you know, thrive on your energy. Or maybe you meet people and sometimes you know, you become like tired, or you feel weak, or you know, so somewhere we absorb negative people's energy, and that affects our aura. So that's a video I'm planning to make in this coming week. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that way you will be noted when the new video comes. Like I always tell you, please like my FB page as well as Instagram page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the 3rd time I'm telling you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be a great help to me. It will be a great encouragement for me to make new videos. And stay safe, stay blessed, have a wonderful week, and I love you all.